Veena V.
So, the first thing you need to do if you want to be filming your videos in portrait mode is, of course, you need to film your videos in portrait mode. So you simply turn your camera the other way around. Rather than filming a landscape video like we're doing now in landscape mode. So if you're going to be filming on your phone, rather than filming like this, which is perfect for YouTube videos, so you don't get those black lines, we want to be filming like this in portrait, so the video completely fills your screen. And the second thing we need to do, which is very important, is we need to do the right settings when we're editing our video. I use Final Cut Pro to edit my videos, but this should work in any software that you're using. So let's head over to my computer and let me show you the video settings you need to do to edit your videos in portrait mode. Go File, New, Project. So where it says Video, I'm going to click on it and press Custom. Then I'm going to switch these two dimensions around. So 1080, I'm going to write here, and 1920, I'm going to write there. That is all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to press OK. Right, can you see now? This little black thing here is not in landscape now, it's in portrait. And there you go, that is how you film and edit your videos in portrait mode. I just literally had to find out how to do this because I was hired by Barclays to film some social media videos for them, and they needed it in portrait mode. And I was like, I don't know how to do it. And I couldn't find anything on YouTube. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell for plenty more videos. And if you like videos like this, like tutorials and tips on filming, please comment below and I can make some more for you. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are a beautiful emerald. Live in hope. You've got a unique talent. So get on YouTube and show the world what you are made of.